Hello and welcome to our video on the top programming languages to learn in 2023. In this video, we'll be discussing the programming languages that are likely to be in high demand in the coming year. Section 1, Python. Python continues to be one of the most popular programming languages, and its popularity is only expected to grow in 2023. It's used extensively in data science, artificial intelligence, and web development, and has a large and active community of developers. We'll discuss the latest developments in the Python ecosystem, including new libraries and frameworks, and provide tips for learning Python. Section 2, JavaScript. JavaScript is another programming language that's likely to be in high demand in 2023. It's the backbone of modern web development, and is used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. We'll discuss the latest trends in JavaScript, including the rise of frameworks like React and Angular, and provide tips for mastering JavaScript. Section 3, Rust. Rust is a relatively new programming language that's gaining popularity due to its focus on safety, speed, and concurrency. It's particularly well suited for systems programming, and is being used by companies like Dropbox and Mozilla. We'll discuss the unique features of Rust, and provide tips for learning and using it effectively. Section 4, Kotlin. Kotlin is a programming language that's gaining popularity as an alternative to Java for Android app development. It's designed to be more concise, safe, and expressive than Java, and is being used by companies like Google and Pinterest. We'll discuss the advantages of Kotlin over Java, and provide tips for learning and using it. Section 5, Golang. Golang, or Go, is a programming language developed by Google that's becoming increasingly popular for systems programming, network programming, and cloud computing. Its simplicity, speed, and concurrency features make it a powerful language for building large-scale applications. We'll discuss the features and advantages of Go, and provide tips for learning and using it. Section 6, TypeScript. TypeScript is a programming language that's gaining popularity as a superset of JavaScript. It adds features like static typing, classes, and interfaces to JavaScript, making it easier to write and maintain large-scale applications. We'll discuss the benefits of using TypeScript, and provide tips for learning and using it. Conclusion. In conclusion, these are just a few of the programming languages that are likely to be in high demand in 2023. It's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in the programming world, and to continually learn and master new skills. Thanks for watching.